5 fine components of H alpha line. The allowed transitions of the electron for this H alpha line I have told you in the earlier video. These are the 7 transitions as I have written here. These 7 transitions will give the 7 components of the H alpha line, but it is found that in place of 7 components there are only 5 components which are visible in the spectrum. So this is according to the intensity rules. So now for transition 2p 3 by 2 to 2s half and 2d 3 by 2 to 2p half, these 2 transitions will give 2 spectral lines. Now these 2 spectral lines fuse into each other to give a single highly intense line, because according to transition rules delta J equal to -1 and delta L equal to -1 for these transitions. For transition 2d 5 by 2 to 2p 3 by 2. Now for this one we get the less intense line, and this gives only one less intense line. For transition 2d 3 by 2 to 2p 3 by 2 and 2p half to 2s half. These 2 transitions also give the line, but they fuse into each other to give a single line, because for these 2 transitions delta L equal to -1, delta J equal to 0. So this line gives a even less intensity of the spectral line. For transitions 2f half to 2s half to 2p 3 by 2, this gives the weaker line, because for this according to transition intensity rules delta L equal to +1 and delta J equal to +1. Now last transition, that is 2s half to 2p half, this gives the weakest line, because delta L equal to +1 and delta J equal to 0. Thus the 7 components of the H alpha line are reduced to 5 components which are visible in the spectrum. We have also explained to this one here. Now you can see that this and this belongs to n equal to 3, this all these for n equal to 3, and all these, this is n equal to 2. So now this first line, that is the highly intense, this is less intense, this is even less intense, this is weaker line, and this is the weakest line. Thus we have the fine 5 components of H alpha line. Thank you.